Hello everyone, greetings to each and every one of you. So on today's video is on this cold room evaporator. So we find out that anytime this machine is running, the tray will be filled with ice and the water will be dropping on the floor. So after checking, we find out that the heater is having issue. So the heater got burnt. So here we are trying to replace the heater. So replacing the heater, we need to remove the old heater before replacing the new one. And inside here, I'm just trying to do a video because it's very cold. Your phone cannot stay here for at least 5 minutes. The phone will go bad. So here is when we have removed the old heater. This yellow one that you're seeing here is the old one. So we are trying to replace the new heater so that we can defrost the machine so that the machine can run properly. As you can see, the machine is forming ice. All the tray is filled with ice. So, and this machine has not been running for days now due to the ice that is on the line, because if you run this machine now, the water will be dropping from the tray because the water drainage is blocked with ice. So here is the heater we are trying to replace. So this is the process on how we are replacing the heater. So inside here, after we work for a few minutes, if we got cold, we'll go out to the frozen and still come back to work. That's how we will enable to work on this cold room, because the cold room is very strong and is very active. So thank you for watching this video to this very point. Don't forget to follow this page, like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kingdom Technical Services. Thank you. You go feed? Huh? You go feed? Okay.